Today, we're looking at two ducted split heat pumps in a head-to-head battle. The ACiQ R5H5S versus the Aireforce FSH4BE. Both of these units fall squarely into the basic category, meaning they are reliable single-stage systems designed to get the job done without the extra bells and whistles. When we look at how these units are built to handle the elements, there is a clear difference in the armor they wear. The Aireforce FSH4BE comes equipped with a louvered coil cabinet. In the field, those louvered steel panels are like superior armor. They protect your sensitive condenser coils from hail, stray rocks, and debris. On the other hand, the ACiQ R5H5S does not have a louvered coil. This usually means it relies on a wire mesh, which leaves your coils much more vulnerable to damage from the environment. On the efficiency side, these two are neck and neck. Both the ACiQ and the Aireforce models carry an HSPH rating of 7.5. Since they are both single-stage systems, you aren't getting variable speed fans or compressors here. It's full power whenever the thermostat calls for it. One thing to note for the noise sensitive, neither unit includes a compressor blanket, so expect a standard operational sound level during those cold winter nights. Have you ever had a hailstorm beat up your outdoor unit, or maybe a weed whacker get a little too close to the coils? Let me know about your installation experiences in the comments below. This is where the competition gets interesting. Both brands offer a solid 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. However, Aireforce takes the lead with its no-hassle guarantee. The Aireforce FSH4BE comes with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. This means if that compressor, the heart of your system, fails within the first decade, they don't just swap the part. They replace the whole outdoor unit. The ACiQ R5H5S offers 0 years of unit replacement coverage, leaving you with just a standard part swap if things go south. While both units provide the same baseline heating efficiency, the Aireforce FSH4BE is the winner in this battle. It's built better with that louvered coil protection, and it's backed better with a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. When you're investing in a new heat pump, you want that extra peace of mind that your equipment is protected from the outside and fully guaranteed on the inside. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.